full-length Loki. A lot of this is going to be, I'm not sure what it's going to be. Lots of fun, lots of mud. This area is notorious for mud spots. You've got to be careful. Once I get to the far side of Loki, I will decide if I want to stay up on the hill and do a longer ride. I want to go back to the car and then come back up again. Oh, wow! Now this is nuts. I like it. These are the kind of things I was expecting on these trails. Walkways that look like they're broken. This is one of the only full trails. It was one of the only trails I haven't been on at least part of up here. So this is going to complete my Mission Creek ride, actually. This is the first time I've been here on this bike. I was here on my Greystone, as I call it. Wow. You gotta really pay attention when you're biking in here. This is craziness. Second time at Mission Creek for me. First time on this bike. First time on this trail. Last trail that I haven't done at least a little part of. The last trail that I haven't done after this will be East Porcupine, the connector. So, I think I got enough energy if I stay up in the hills that I could probably do the whole zigzaggy loop. Build a little bridge right there. I would love to come up here and just do trail building. Or maintaining or whatever. These trails just rock. They're out of this world awesomeness. Look at this. Look at this! Here's craziness! We lost their fat tire. Fat bike. A little bit of a drop. I'm not quite ready for that one. Oh, they've done some landscaping right here. That's pretty cool. Oh, hello. I had my pedal stroke down. A washout. Pedal stroke down as I came off that bridge. Yeah, there's little drops after these. Like inch, 2 inches. Nothing to be... Whoa, look at that big massive muscle in a tree. I love those. They're awesomeness. I don't know if I mentioned this before either, but I'm doing just going to Activion only for the whole trip. My final real test before I decide if I'm going to continue to do action camming, YouTubing, or what I'm going to do. Because after this trip, I should have about 24 videos. A little bit of leaf cover here. I don't think I've encountered much of leaves anywhere. You can tell these trails have been well ridden. I am probably, like last time, I'm probably the only biker here. I got to the parking lot. You saw in the earlier part of the video, depending on how I edit this. I had a car parked down there. When he came back, he was a fisher dude. So I would anticipate that I might see one person. Oh gosh, this trail's awesome. I like it. I like all the trails here. Is there a trail here I don't like? I don't think so. Yeah, that valley, the dirt road thing coming off the far north side. We go over the Munsinger stone bridge, railroad bridge over the paved Mungier path, and it just kind of Duluth tourist comes right off of that. But if you stay right on that dirt road, it's kind of a poopy face. That's not really a trail, it's just a kind of old fire road that they use for access. Wow. Oh my gosh. This was fun. Said it before, I'll probably say it again. If you haven't been to Duluth, you have not mountain biked in Minnesota. And I have only seen parts of it. I wanted to do three trips. Yeah, I would like to do 3 trips up here. I want to do 3 days up here, and I could stay overnight again. I don't think my expenses are gonna be too friendly toward that. I'm also shooting at 30 frames today rather than 60 from the previous day. I save a little bit of room on my SD card. I'm not worried about battery. I'm more worried about SD card filling up. If I do this in the lower half of indigenous land, as they can all call it, wow. Okay, so now I'm going downhill a little bit. I can always tell when I'm going downhill more severely than the front brake decides to be. Yeah, going downhill a little bit. Oh, yeah. I'm heavy. I've been heavy on the rear. So I'm getting probably more than halfway down with this trail already. Every time I come to a bridge, I always almost want to tense up. It's kind of, I just gotta stay with the flow. It's a freaking bridge. It's a freaking wooden bridge. I fell off a wooden bridge last year stupidly. Not here. This is where I would expect somebody to fall off a wooden bridge if they don't have experience. But I fell off a wooden bridge at Elm Creek. That's the one place I have an action cam this year. I was there once. Typical, forget my SD card for the camera. That's what I did today, or these last 2 days for this trip. I'm still up pretty high, so I'm thinking I might take a long break and continue rather than going down to the car and back up again. I might get a little dehydrated, but I think that's what I'm going to do. I meant to bring another liquid, more liquids. Last time I was here, I got so dehydrated because I parked over in Jay Cook State Park in Carlton. I took the Munsinger Trail in. I really wanted to explore the entire park and that paved path, so that's why I did that. And I might go over there today. I'll be driving through there on the way home. So I might do some Dave Cook videos if I have enough potassium left in my thermal jets. Alright, I'm going to stop for a second and see where I'm at. Well, let's see. I still got an hour and 15 minutes left. We're going to keep rolling. This trail is freaking awesome. Now, I'm going to check my front axle too, but I feel like I could just keep going. These trails are about 80% easier than blasted Piedmont. Piedmont is by far the rockiest trails I have ever encountered. Period. The end. Obviously, I haven't been out of the state much. I'm getting closer and closer to that, though. The other thing I might do today, too, if I have energy, rather than doing Jay Cook, is I might go into Montelac, right across. There's a bike over there. Oh, yeah! Let's enjoy the view for a second. Wow! Okay, so basically when I said I was at the washout on the Duluth Traverse, That's the Duluth Traverse right there. Nice. It looks like there was a trail that continued across the crest of the hill right there, but I'm not going to do that because A, I don't know where I would be going, B, I'll probably end up going over the edge. Stay on the awesome. Now this is getting rocky. So seeing that overlook kind of told me that I want to probably stay up on top of the hill. I'm going to go downhill a little bit, I think toward the end of this. I should be getting toward the end of it because that was about 1/3 up the Duluth Traverse. Oh, this is getting awesomeness. Going downhill a little bit again. I kind of figured Loki would be fun to go south and just downhill. Like, I've been coasting almost this whole time. I gotta remember to, oh my gosh, well, I'm just gonna go through that. Sorry. There's really no way to go around that. They need to build there's a few spots. See, I can go around that one. And this one up here I can go around. Mud spots. They really need to build more bridges. This one you have to kind of go through the center. Try to pick the best line, but sometimes you just don't know. Oh. I probably said this before too, but trying to get up to Duluth, I'm so happy I went, even though I was a little sick. I don't feel too bad, and last night I slept better, unusual for me, slept better in the hotel. Oh, hello. Oh boy. I'm going to hook this one. A few mud spots.
Yeah.
Are you coming up?
What's that?
You coming this way?
Yeah.
Sneak by you here. Have a good ride. What I was saying was that I slept better in the hotel than I did in my own bed the night before. So I was just that sick. But I am starting to. You never know which direction people are going to go. Okay, so now we're getting into the awesomeness. You say there's a trail down there. No, that's a washout. Okay. This is a lot longer trail than I was expecting. Now we're getting into if this doesn't scare the crap out of you, I don't know what would. You take that at speed, you would not be doing so good. Man, engineering and designing these trails, I'm definitely going to give a donation of some sort. These trails are just rocking. Well, I'm kind of hoping I can get to the end of this so I can decide what I'm going to do. Oh, muddy mud spots. Every now and then there's a lake like that. Yeah, that was 10 acres right there. So if that was 10 acres back there, I must have done about 10,000 acres in my ride this morning already. Look at this bridge up here. Oh yeah. Loki. Wow. Yeah. So my record back here is running into 2 bikers and 1 hiker, dog walking hiker. See if I can match that or pass that today. I would be guessed that I would probably pass that. Oh my gosh. This is going to be a long video, people. I may have to edit out parts of it. I haven't encountered a part of this trail that has been not fun. Maybe this part. Kind of low key. Get it? This part of the trail is a little low key. Pretty average. Oh, I'm getting a little tired. I think I'm going up a little bit. Oh, I'm surprised. No bridge. Okay. Woo! I'm kind of looking at what my camera's angle is set at. I want to say that maybe it's a little too high, but I won't know until it's staying so cute, that's for sure. My little elevator. Oh, we're going to come to another scenic outlook. Right here. Oh yeah. That is awesomeness. Okay, so now I'm at the upper parking lot, so pretty much done with. Okay, so there's the Duluth Traverse down there again. See if I can get it better. So that was Loki. And there's a car parked up here. So